Today's video is lesson 10.2. It's great to see you back again at Miss Larson's YouTube channel. It's been a little crazy over the last week learning how to make and edit videos and interacting with you guys on the comments. It's been a crazy and fun new way of instructing, although you must know that I miss your faces in my classroom so very much, and I hope you and your families are well and safe and enjoying some time together as we're all sheltering at home. So today's lesson, we are going to be classifying triangles. And there's an important chart that we are going to look at. It's linked in the description down below, so you can pull it up to help you at any time. But the way that we classify triangles is two different ways, by their angles and by their sides. So when you look at a triangle, you see what kinds of angles it has, and you decide what kind of triangle it is using the angles. And then you look at what the side lengths are and you classify it by the side lengths. So every triangle will have two names, one that identifies it by its angles and one that identifies it by the lengths of its sides. So it's kind of like how you have two names. You have a first name that is just for you. So for me, my first name is Lori. That's just my name. Now, maybe someone else in my family shares it, but when my mom says Lori, she's talking about me. My last name, Larson, identifies the family that I come from. So my name tells two different things about me. In the same way, triangles have two names, the name for their types of angles and the name for their types of sides. So let's take a look at the chart to see what the names of those triangles are.
Here's the chart with the 6 different names of triangles. The 3 on the left identify them based on the angles, and the 3 on the right identify them based on the sides. If you look on the left, you can see that these 3 are based on the angles. So an acute triangle has only acute angles. A right triangle has at least one right angle, and an obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. On the right are the names based on the side lengths. So an equilateral triangle has sides that are all equal. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 1 shorter side, and a scalene has all different side lengths. Let's classify this triangle together. It will have 2 names, one for the angles and one for the sides. So first, look closely at the angles. What do you notice? Acute, obtuse, right? Take a moment to look at them closely. Now look at the side lengths. Are they all the same, or 2 are equal, or they're all different? This triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. That makes it an obtuse triangle because it has 1 obtuse angle. And when I look at the sides, all 3 of them are different lengths. None of them are the same. So that means it's scalene. So this triangle is an obtuse scalene triangle. Now classify this triangle. You're going to give it 2 names, remember. One for the angles, one for the sides. So look at the types of angles and look at the side lengths. You can pause the video if you need to and refer to the chart in the link down below. First, let's look at the angles. I notice that there is 1 right angle here, then 2 acute angles. Because it has 1 right angle, it's a right triangle. Now looking at the side lengths, I see 2 sides are equal or congruent. So that means it's isosceles. So this is a right isosceles triangle.
Now that we've had a little practice classifying triangles and giving them those 2 names using the chart, you are going to do a little bit on your own. In the packet, you're going to do pages 26 and 27, and then you're going to do lesson 10.2 in your homework book. Please remember, when you're classifying them, I do want you to give them 2 names, one for the sides, one for the angles. The book directions are only going to mention the angles, the right, obtuse, or acute, but please do the sides as well. Ms. Pepin students, if you have any questions, please make sure to reach out and contact her. And my students, you can contact me, and anybody can put a comment down below with a question. I'd be happy to answer. We'll see you tomorrow for lesson 10.3, and have a good day.